Hey everybody, I am super excited to do this video for you here. This is the Baden 28.5 official size and weight for little kids. This is called the Skilcoach basketball here. Now this is actually the second one of these basketballs that I have owned in my lifetime. When my son was younger when he was little, we had one of these when he was little, and big help. So most little kids don't know how to shoot the basketball properly. They have to be taught how to shoot the basketball properly. What this ball here actually has these hands on it, and your child or your little player that you're coaching has to put their hands in the right place. So their right hand, if they're right-handed, now I'm left-handed, but so if they're right-handed, their hand goes right here and their pointer finger goes on the star, and then their left hand is going to be on the side to hold the ball in place. So when you're shooting the ball, right, you're following through, and the left hand, in this case for right-handed people, is not pushing the ball. All right, so what little kids want to do is they want to push the ball with two hands. So when they're little, they don't have enough strength to shoot the ball. So all they do is they get the ball and they do it, and they do that, right, because they're little and they're trying to reach. But as they get older, if they're not taught how to shoot the ball the right way, then they have bad habits when they get older. I'm a long time youth coach. I coached my son from pee-wee ball all the way through junior high and ninth grade. We had great fun doing that. Ended up being junior high champions in our league, and then our AAU basketball team, our competitive basketball team, we actually won 3 YBOA state championships in Louisiana. So we had great fun. But I had one of my players, actually ended up being one of my better players, but even him as a middle school age player, I specifically remember, he would trying to shoot free throws. He was standing there and he would do like this, and I was like, man, look, you're not a little kid anymore. You got to shoot the ball the right way. So I had to teach him as a middle schooler how to shoot the ball the right way. So get your child, your players, teach them while they're young how to shoot the ball the right way. So this thing forces your child, your player, whoever you're coaching, to put their hands in the right place. And for left-handers, which I'm a left-hander, my son's also a left-hander, it's the other way around. So the blue hand is underneath the yellow hand here. Still the index finger, pointer finger is right here on the star, and then the right hand's going to go on the side. So this teaches them to hold the ball properly, and when they release the ball, flicking their wrist, following through, and the ball coming off their, and they're coming off their pointer finger, right, with a backspin. Okay, so make sure you're teaching your player how to shoot the ball the right way. The Baden Skilcoach, this ball is what you need to do that. A must-have for any youth basketball coach, any parent teaching their kid how to play ball out in the driveway.